Today's pen video is a species unknown, some sort of gum significantly more dense than blackbutt. In this video, we're going to go from square to finish with an additional bonus. No bloopers, I don't think. So right about here, I noticed the black line going around. I knew there was a nail hole, but I wasn't sure what I was going to do about it. I ended up putting some super glue in and sanding it back. You'll notice throughout it gets a bit shiny at points, and I think I have to touch it up once. But it's come out nice as a detail. It's a nice dark black, as you'll notice in the photos, and it's also clear, so you can see into the hole. This is where I started to notice some shine happening. So I gave it a quick sand off and a good blow, and decided to get rid of some of the spare sawdust. Whoosh. This is a good example of when it doesn't come out so perfect. Um, you'll notice there's quite a bit of lumpiness. I messed up with the finish, which was I didn't wipe off the accelerator, and it's set solid with nice ridges. So I micromeshed. somewhere along the line, I completely lost focus while recording the video. So here's a nice blurry picture. I'll throw up the ones from the start just so you've got some sharper ones.